Okay, now let's cover shipping. So let's click on shipping, and then what we want to do is first of all check up here basically the address and the number and so on. Actually, you can see my address. I think that's fine because it's my business address, it's my office. So then over here, zones and rates. So basically over here, we can now add different zones, or we can edit zones where we can ship to. Now, this really depends on the supplier. So if the supplier can ship, for instance, only to the US or only, let's say, to Europe, then we have to edit this here. But we're going to do that later, so don't worry about that. The only thing that we should do is, for instance, when we click here on edit, we want to also change the price. So let's actually delete those two right here. And what I want to do, first of all, is I want to add a couple of countries. For instance, what we could do is we could add rest of the world. So basically everything and Germany. So let's actually do that. Rest of the world. It might take a couple of seconds. Sometimes it's a little bit unresponsive. So hopefully, well, it doesn't do it. So anyway, let's go with Asia. So let's just have in here Asia. So we just added Asia, and we can now add a rate. And the rate is basically how much money people have to pay for a shipment. And I always like to write free shipping, because people really want their products to be shipped for free. It's an amazing, just conversion tool, let's say, because when people read free shipping, they're like, okay, I need to buy this. So everything is included in the price. Let's say, for instance, you have a price of $19.99 and shipping is $4.21. People are like calculating in their head, and often like they really want to just make a decision. They want to see the price, all right, $20 for this product and no shipping. Okay, this is what I'm going to pay. And then they click on buy, and then they buy it. So this is really what people want. So I always want to click down here on free shipping rate. So let's click on done, and then we are done with that one as well. So everything is free shipping, $0 and up. Then down here, we can also add some weight-based rates. So for instance, if the product weighs a lot, then we can add some money for the shipping. Actually, let's go with free shipping here as well. So let's type in here free shipping. Let's put this in capital letters, and then we click on done, and then we are done with this one as well. And down here we can add so-called calculated rates, add rates from your shipping carriers and apps. These rates can be adjusted by a percentage or a flat fee to cover handling costs. So for instance, if you want to have a calculated rate of 10% and you have a product that costs $20, it would be in this case $2 as a shipping fee. So let's actually click that right now. Let's actually save that right now. And then we are done with this one as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.